Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered if the way your brain is wired can dictate what you're good at? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of brain lateralization and see how this impacts everything from the way we speak to the way we perceive the world. For most right-handers, the left hemisphere of the brain is a bustling hub for language. This side houses critical areas like Broca's area, essential for speech production, and Wernicke's area, vital for understanding language. But what about left-handers? Here's where it gets intriguing. Many left-handers also have their language centers in the left hemisphere, but a significant chunk, about 30%, showcase a different story. Their language functions might be rooted in the right hemisphere or even spread across both, giving us what's sometimes playfully called a flipped brain. This isn't just a quirky fact, it has deep implications. For instance, in neurosurgery, knowing whether a patient has a typical or flipped brain setup is crucial. It helps surgeons avoid damaging vital language areas during operations. But here's the most uplifting part. Whether left hemisphere dominant, right, or bilateral, all variations perform language tasks with equal flair, showcasing the brain's marvelous adaptability. So next time you meet a left-hander, remember, they might just have their brain wired in a fascinatingly unique way. And that's a small peek into the incredible diversity and adaptability of our human brains. It's not just about being left or right-handed, it's about the endless possibilities within each of us. Remember, every brain is a universe of its own, teeming with potential. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of the human mind. Stay curious.